Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. Keeping accurate records of your credit card payments is essential for maintaining clean books and ensuring your accounts stay balanced. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to the left side of your screen and click on plus new or plus create in the navigation menu. This button is your gateway to creating all types of transactions in QuickBooks, and it's where we'll start the credit card payment process. Once you click it, a menu will appear with several categories of transaction types. In that menu, look for the section labeled Other and click on Pay Down Credit Card. This option is specifically designed for recording payments you've made toward your credit card balance, whether it's a minimum payment or paying off the full balance. It keeps everything organized and properly categorized in your accounting records. Next, select the credit card account that you're making the payment on from the drop-down menu. This ensures the payment is applied to the correct card if you have multiple credit cards in your system. You'll also see an option to choose a pay, which is optional but can be helpful for tracking purposes if you want to record which bank or institution you're paying. Now, enter the amount you paid in the Enter the Amount field. Make sure this matches exactly what you actually paid, whether it's from your bank statement or online banking confirmation. Then, set the payment date in the Date of Payment field. This should reflect the actual date the payment was made or processed, not when you're entering it into QuickBooks. From the Select Bank Account dropdown, choose the bank account you use to make the payment. This step is crucial because it links the payment to the correct source of funds and ensures both your bank account and credit card account are properly updated in your books. If you want to add any additional details, click on Memo and Attachments to add a note or attach supporting documents like payment confirmations or receipts. This is optional but can be valuable for future reference or audit purposes. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the information for accuracy. Double-check the amount, date, accounts, and any other details you've entered to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click Save and Close to record your credit card payment. QuickBooks will now update your accounts, reducing your credit card balance and decreasing your bank account balance accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.